Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you guys with a video update on the 8-minute trader. And I just want to let you guys know this is the most important thing. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video here publicly on YouTube, but I have a lot of content that I've been recording and dropping in my private Telegram group. If you're not a part of my private Telegram group, make sure you guys get in there. I want to show you guys what that looks like so you know what to keep an eye out for when you get into the actual Telegram group and exactly how all that is working, how to maneuver, and all that fun stuff. So this is my private Telegram group. It's FX Superheroes is the name of it. And when you're in this group, this is the generals thing. This is all the people who join and whatnot. But you see, I've divided it up into a whole bunch of different subcategories. 8-minute trader is over here to the left. You can see here, I just dropped the video on the one-click pro trader and the project overview that I did. This is a private overview that I did, and I have it unlisted on YouTube. So that's in there. Anytime I'm going to do a public overview, I'm going to post the time and the Zoom link that I do that in here. If there's an update on the settings, my personal settings for the one-click pro trader, I made a video on how to do that, and it's in the group. Okay. I've got some other projects that I'm involved in as well that I also post and give updates on. So this is what it looks like right here, FX Superheroes, and that's how you navigate the subcategory. So I just wanted to share that with you guys before I get started with the video, which I'm very, very excited about. Before I hop into it, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you hit that little bell notification to be notified each and every time I'm dropping new content to the channel. And without further ado, let's hop right into it. So One Click Pro Trader is officially out, and they just released an update on, what's today, Wednesday? So they released that update late Monday night, I believe it was. And let me tell you, it is a night and day difference between what they had before and what they have now. There were some alerts that weren't necessarily coming across, similar to the way they were coming across with the one-click trainer. So now all those issues have been fixed. A lot of the glitches that came out with the one-click have been fixed as well. And I'm just going to walk you guys through some of what I'm experiencing here. All right, so as you can see here, this is what the US 30 looks like currently. And man, oh man, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful sell alert here at the top of this move, literally at the top of the move. And she just took a huge dive all day. And then this green line, obviously it appeared, I believe, once it came back and tested this area for support. So you could have exited your trade there if you wanted to. But as you can see here, huge, huge, huge opportunity for a win on your trade. Let's see what the time was on that. So that's about 102, 103 candles. So a little over about an hour and a half. So I want to show you what some of these settings look like here. This is all your account information. You can see we're currently in a quote unquote range. You can set your daily profit goals. You could set your equity protector, your primary risk per alert. I have mine set at 0.125. All of these settings I go over in my private Telegram group, FX Superhero. So be sure to join that. But what is so amazing about this software and this opportunity is that it takes everything into effect. I want to show you guys the list of settings. These are all the different settings that are incorporated with the one-click pro trader. So they even take into account your commission per lot. So if you have an $8 commission for your broker, you can put that in and it'll take that into account when it's entering into a trade. So when I say it is a very, very smart software, I mean, it's taking a lot of things into consideration for you. And you can, all of these things are customizable. Every last thing that you're seeing is customizable. You can change where these settings are appearing on your screen. I keep mine in the lower left to stay out of the way for the things that are popping up here on the right. Let me move myself out of the way. And then my primary risk, you can set that as low or as high as you want to. If you want to risk, 0.5% per trade, feel free to do that. I'm a little bit more on the conservative side, so that's why I have mine set a little bit lower. Here's something that's really, really neat. You can go and customize each trade entry. Of course, you have your primary and your initial entry, as well as mitigation. it will automatically move your trades for you once you've hit your, move your stop loss to break even, take profit, your trail buy. That's right. It'll trail, have a trailing stop for you if that's something that you want to do as well. And you can customize those for each and every single trade that you take. Something else that, the value, guys, is packed here. First trading start time. If you want to only receive alerts during certain times of the day, you can set that time here in GMT, and then you won't receive alerts during other times. So when I say it's very, very smart, this thing is really next level. It also has, I think I went over it already, but just in case I didn't, your equity protector. So if you hit a certain loss for the day, you won't receive any more alerts if it hit your equity protector. And then you can refresh that if you do want to override it, but I'm just letting you know it's taking your inputs into consideration here. So I'm just going to zoom through some of these charts so you guys can see some of these alerts. Obviously, we had this amazing sell alert here today on the US 30. Today is the 10th of May, 2023, as of me recording this video. Look at this amazing Nas 100 sell alert that popped in here earlier this morning, actually. And that was right before news or right after. Nope, that's after news, after the open. So that was a really awesome alert. And let's see what else we have here. Let's zoom out a little bit. You had some sells that were winners. I actually did end up taking this trade, and I want to show you guys how incredible this software is and the system as a whole. Obviously, this was a winning alert right here. This is a sell, winner, sell right here, winner, sell. This looks like it could not have been an opportunity for you to take a win, but I promise you, I actually took advantage of this trade and I waited for a little bit of a pullback. It actually came back up here on this red candle, or I believe it was this red candle. And in between that time and this candle right here, I was up almost $400 on this trade based on my percentage of risk. And I saw it was looking kind of, the moves were looking a little bit smaller than before. So once I saw that 400, I manually closed that trade out. And you can see it did come back and potentially hit stop loss. Your stop loss pad is also customizable. So if you wanted to put your stop loss up here instead of maybe right here for a tighter risk, you could have potentially stayed in that trade, and you see it did continue to the downward side. So when I say everything is customizable here, literally everything is customizable. Let's see here. Let's take a look at some more of these alerts. This one was a loser, which is okay. You're not going to win every single one. Let's see if we can go back here. This was a huge winner right here, this sell alert. And it looks like it activated trade number 3 as well. Man, if you would have stayed in it since up here, that was another winner. Look at that, just going down, 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 down. So, all right, that's another chart. I want to show gold. I know a lot of people like to trade gold. And gold had some interesting moves on the chart. This was a clear loser, no big deal. We had a lot of confusion right here just before the news. But what I want to do is zoom in and show you guys the potential that we had here with this trade. So you can see here the specific order these alerts came out was a buy, sell, followed by another buy. And that buy candle was this green one right here. So if you would have got in immediately after that alert came out, this was a huge potential that you could have capitalized on that trade. So that was it in less than 15 minutes for that move. Let me see if it's going to show any of these moves prior to that. I did refresh my chart here pretty recently, so we may not be able to see any more prior alerts, which it's looking like it's not going to show us, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you guys the potential, show you guys what these charts are actually doing. Here's another awesome alert on GBP USD. And these are the main things that I trade. There's other charts that they have that you can put up here, but these are the main ones that I keep an eye out for. For me, I found that London session is the most profitable. Depending on what you like to trade, I do trade US 30 and the NAS at the open. So everything is, based specifically on what you want to do. So I just wanted to show you guys what the actual software looks like, how you could take advantage of the software. And all the amazing things that this automation can do for you. That's right. You can get in and out of a trade with just one click of a button by pushing yes or by pushing no if you want to pass on that opportunity, and just showing you how customizable those alerts really are. So if this is an opportunity that you're interested in finding out more, or you just want to get more information, feel free to reach out to me directly on Telegram. All my information is in the description of this video, as well as the link to my private Telegram group, FX Superheroes. Be sure to engage, get in that group, and reach out to me specifically if you have any questions with that. So, it's here, you guys. This is what we've been waiting for almost a whole entire year. I know I've been with these guys since the very beginning. This time last year, I was in Ontario, California at one of their very first live events that they hosted. And we've been waiting and waiting and waiting on the system. And I mean, it's here. There's nothing else better that you can ask for. Take advantage. Oh, before I do go, I want to show you their official Telegram and show you how they have been capitalizing on a lot of these moves. So if we come here to the 8-Minute Trader official Telegram group, you could see here they're going to drop all of these opportunities throughout the day. And as you can see, these are all today, May the 10th. If you're not part of this official Telegram group, I believe I did drop that link in the description of this video as well. But I mean, look at this. Here's a look at some of today's alerts on version 1.53. That's the one that we're running. And like I said, the crazy part is many of these will continue to run for the rest of the week. If you can focus on discipline, consistency, and your personal trading plan of success, and forget about the money, the short-term gains, and trying to be perfect, you can build an amazing future with us. So it goes into, I mean, look at this. Look, there's a sell. You can't see it, but it's right here at the very top. Boom, all the way down, retracement, another seller. Boom, add more into it. Let's see here. AUD, USD, an amazing buy alert. Even the seller, it was pretty amazing as well. A buy down here, Euro AUD, Euro JPY, sell here at the top. So, I mean, a lot of people have been waiting on this, you guys, and it is here. So click the link in the description to get started. If you just want to skip my Telegram altogether and just get started with this opportunity, click the link in the description to get started with Longevity and 8-Minute Trader. Your credentials will get sent to you automatically. You just download the software onto your computer. If you're running on a Mac, make sure you have a VPN like I do, and you will have instant access to this amazing, amazing technology. So that's it. That's all I have as far as the update for Longevity and 8-Minute Trader. That's all I got. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to catch you guys on the next video real soon. Take care. Peace.